Hey guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the sugar TikTok trend, which is very popular and also very easy to learn. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. So the very first thing we are going to do is roll. So we're just going to go back like this, and then we are going to click. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then we're going to do this. So I'll just teach you how to do that very quickly. So we're going to go do it. We're going to do two steps to the side. We can choose which side to go with first. So you just choose your favorite side. So it's going to be 1, 2. Then our arms are up here, and we're just going to do a wave. So side, side. That's it. So it's 1, 2. And let's do it from the beginning. So it's going to go roll, click, side, side. And then we are going to do a wave with our hands. If you don't know how to do a wave, you just start doing it by points. Go from here, then elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, and hand. That's it. So do it by points, and then just connect it, and you already have the wave. But if you don't want to learn how to do the wave like this, you can just do this or this. So do it however you want. And now we are going to fold our arms, then clap, but like with the other side of our hands, not our palms. And then we're going to fold them again. So it's going to go 1, 2, wave, clap, and then we're going to do a wait movement. I just call it wait because it's like as if you were telling someone to wait. So it's going to be like this. And now we're going to do 1, 2. So it says something about calling. So just pretend we have a phone on each hand. So it's going to be 1. Then we're going to go do a circle. And we already have the phone in our hand ready. So it's going to go circle, circle. Let's do it from the beginning. It's going to go roll, click, side, side, wave, clap, wave, call, call. And then we're going to do another wave. So we're going to start with our head and then sit down at the very end. We will sit down with both our legs. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go 1, 2. So we're just going to cross our arms, uncross them. Our hands are fists. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it from the beginning. Roll, click, side, side, wave, clap, wave, call, call, wave, 1, 2. And then we're going to do circles around our head. We're going to do 2 of them. So it's going to go 1 and 2. Let's do it again. 1 and 2. And now it says when I fall asleep, so we're just going to pretend we are going to bed 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the very last thing we have to do is a whoa. And we are done. Let's do it from the very beginning 2 times. And that is it. So let's do it. Roll, click, side, side, wave, clap, wave, call, call, wave, 1, 2, circle, circle, and then 1, 2, 3, and whoa. Let's do it once again. Roll, click, side, side, wave, clap, wave, call, call, wave, 1, 2, circle, circle, sleep, 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 and whoa. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dance you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!